Hey everyone, it's Jennifer here with Grounded Hypnosis, and I have another special video for you. The other video has been getting so much love and requests for more that I have decided to make another one now. And one of the motivating reasons for me is I got my second pocket watch, my beautiful tree, very similar to the Grounded Hypnosis logo. And so I would like to use this pocket watch for this video. So this video is going to be an induction using the watch, and it's going to have a few special other treats based on the requests that you gave me in the other video. So I can't do them all, but I have incorporated a number of them. So I would like you just to sit in a place or lay down in a place that is comfortable for you and that you can have a few minutes of undisturbed time with yourself and with me and with my beautiful pocket watch. And so I would like you now just to focus on my pocket watch, just allowing everything else around my watch to become just kind of fuzzy, not really important, as you focus on my watch and following it with your eyes, just like that. And as you focus with your eyes, I would like you to take a nice, slow, deep breath in, holding it and releasing it, holding it there. And again, a nice, slow, deep breath in, holding it and releasing it, holding it. Good. Continue this pattern of breathing, this square breathing. And as you continue that breathing pattern, I want you to focus even more on my beautiful pocket watch. Just allowing your eyes to become heavy and relaxed. Maybe they're wanting to close already. Just fight that urge for right now. Just fight the urge to close your eyes. Allow them to get sleepy. Allow them to feel heavy. Allow them to want to close, but keep them open. And as you continue breathing, in a moment but not yet, I'm going to give you the command to sleep not yet. And when you go to this sleeping place, it's a restful place where anything is possible. 1, 2, 3. Sleep. Down, deeper, deeper, eyes closed, allowing yourself to just sink even deeper into this beautiful, relaxed state. And now open your eyes, find my pocket watch, focus on that pocket watch, and 1, 2, 3, sleep deeper and deeper, allowing your eyes to close, allowing that breath to exhale any tension or stress as you go even deeper into this beautiful state of relaxation. And open your eyes, find my pocket watch, and sleep deeper and deeper now as you find it even easier to go deeper than you were before. And open your eyes, find my pocket watch, take a nice deep breath in, and sleep deeper and deeper down, even deeper than the last time. Open your eyes, sleep deeper, even deeper than you did before, and open your eyes, sleep deeper than you did before. And one more time, open your eyes and sleep deeper and deeper as you sink into this beautiful state of relaxation, allowing yourself to go even deeper than you did before. Taking a nice deep breath in and sleep even deeper, allowing relaxation to spread from your top of your head down to your head, neck, shoulders, arms, into your hands. Each breath you take, you go deeper and deeper into relaxation as your relaxation spreads through your chest and torso, down through your hips, into your legs, as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation, allowing that complete feeling of ease and letting go spread all the way down to the tips of your toes. Now from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, you are completely relaxed, completely at ease, even deeper than you were just a moment ago, even deeper now. That's right, feeling amazing as you go even deeper now. And now I would like you to ask your unconscious mind for something that you would like to have more of in your life. Something more, whether it's a feeling, a desire, a need, a want. Whatever that is, I would like you to picture that now as you go deeper. And just feel what it feels like to have more of that. To feel even more of that. Now deeper, even more. And just see what it looks like to have more. Feel what it feels like to have more. And maybe even there's sounds that you can hear when you have more of that as you go even deeper now. Maybe that's more sleep in your night. You want a restful sleep, or maybe you want more confidence, or maybe you want to feel more at ease in your body, or maybe you want more love for yourself. Whatever that is, experience that now, even more deeply now, even more deeply now. And as you allow that experience, that feeling to build inside, I want you to imagine there's a dial in front of you. And I want you to notice what number that dial is pointing at now. And I want you to turn that dial up even higher. And as you turn that dial up even higher, I want you to have those feelings, those sensations grow even more inside of you as you experience even more now what it feels like to have that now. That's right, just like that. And I want you just to take a few deep breaths now. And each time you take a deep breath, I want you to just allow those feelings to grow even more, spreading through your body even more now. Feeling it even more completely now. And when you open your eyes, these feelings of having more will travel with you forward. And they will travel with you forward and have you feel completely and utterly amazing as you go forward through your day. And each time you watch this video, those feelings, that desire, those wants will get even stronger and even more powerful. So you become motivated to accomplish even more amazing things in your life now. And when you open your eyes, you will leave a comment and give a thumbs up and feel amazing doing so. And your comment can include whatever it is, whatever your experience about this video was, or however it made you feel. And knowing that you follow all of the instructions completely and wonderfully feels amazing, doesn't it? Now. Good. And in a moment, not yet, I will count from 3 down to 1. And when I reach 1, you will be fully immersed back in your room, feeling fantastic, feeling amazing, feeling motivated. 3, becoming aware of any sensations of the surface that you are sitting or lying upon. 2, taking a nice deep breath, filling your lungs with oxygen, allowing your mind to clear, your body to clear, your lungs to clear, everything around you to clear and feel amazing. Taking another nice deep breath in, filling yourself with energy as 1. You come back to the room Feeling absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and with my pocket watch that I have already broken during this video. Whoops. No worries though, it's all for the excitement and fun, and it's a good thing I have too. So thank you so much for watching this video, and leave any comments, give a thumbs up, let me know what you thought, and have a wonderful day. Take care guys. Bye.